Truly Italian. Just like me! Ingredients. Today I want to teach you how to make a Neapolitan classic spaghetto al pomodoro, but we make it extra. We make it the most gorgeous, intensely flavored, loaded with tomatoes. The spaghetto cooks partially in the tomato sauce. So this is very, very key to making the most unforgettable spaghetto al pomodoro. Now with this spaghetti al pomodoro, you can really get creative. Why? Because you can mix also different species of tomatoes. We've got the Neapolitan whole peel tomatoes here, but we also have some regular cherry tomatoes, which I got down at the market. We're going to combine flavors. Why? Because you're gonna add layers and layers. Sometimes you can also use different color tomatoes. You can really get creative. Make it your own tomato spaghetto and basil. It's going to really be a tradition in your family. So, very key steps. You got to get the garlic. Garlic, extra virgin. We're gonna let it sizzle for just a minute or two. You do not want to burn the garlic. Next thing, we're lightly cooking the cherry tomatoes within. Salt. Garlic goes out. Now you want to save some of this. And now we add the next layer of tomatoes. These are the whole peeled Neapolitan. We cook for 3 to 4 minutes at a medium flame, and then we smash them in. For this spaghetto al pomodoro, you want the finest bronze-dyed pasta that you can find. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. The quality of the spaghetti you use for this recipe makes the entire recipe. And of course, the flavors of those tomatoes. They should be just gorgeous, just like you and I. Now, medium flame, it has to bubble. It's gonna make a mess, but it doesn't matter. It creates the perfect flavor combination among the tomatoes. This is an ancestral device. It's been around for centuries and is one of my nonna's favorite device to create love. Why? Because it really filters out and strains the tomatoes into a fine, velvety base of sauce that obviously has been de-seeded, meaning the seeds are no longer there, the peels are no longer there. If there's a little bit of peel that made it through, it is disintegrated. Now this device you can find on my Amazon storefront. I will make sure to put the authentic iconic spaghetto al pomodoro Neapolitan style on my Amazon storefront with all the device accessories, instruments that you need to use, including the ingredients, where to get on Amazon the best tomatoes. But look at this. All of the, seeds and the peels are now being separated, and you have this gorgeous, gorgeous velvety sauce. Make sure the salt is just perfect. I want a little bit more. Why? Because you're gonna drench the half-cooked spaghetto inside. Pasta water is boiling salted abundantly. Now we cook the spaghetto halfway through. So whatever it says on the box of your dry pasta, let's just say 8 minutes to al dente, you cook it for 4. They're almost halfway cooked, and then we toss them in the velvet tomato sauce. That really is the secret, because what happens to the pasta? It is forced to hydrate and rehydrate with whatever juices, watery content available. In this case, the tomato juices will cook this spaghetto. It's going to be infused with the tomato gorgeousness and the flavors. The sauce is now turned back on medium flame so that the spaghetti quickly absorb the juices. And now you make sure the sauce is over. You can add the tears of the pasta gods as needed. These will cook quickly. You have to just stir them, make sure that they are slightly submerged in the tomato so that they are absorbing those juices to finish their cooking. Two things to make this just perfect. You're gonna have cherry tomatoes we cooked previously, and you're going to place them strategically to create the maximum beauty. Then we're gonna sprinkle with basil leaves. The final touch, fresh mozzarella ripped, shredded on top by hand. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. This was simply the best, probably one of the best spaghetto al pomodoro that I've done so far. And since the summer is coming and the addition of fresh mozzarella stretched on top, so summery, so vibrant. It's just gorgeous. See you next week.